Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Today is Sunday, June 11. We are finally getting some rain. I don't think we've had rain for about a month, so everything's real dry out. But it's finally starting to rain here. Yeah, I figured I'd do a video of everything and show everybody how everything was. Here's the garden coming up good. This is a field corn Hunter and I planted. I had it planted a couple times. That's why it's different heights. I had a mole going right down the rows. So we got her all planted back up. You can see here's some short ones. So now it's doing good. Haven't had any issues with him back. This row of corn here is Indian corn Becky wanted to plant. And then we got a row of cucumbers, a row of sugar peas or snap peas, some peppers. I think there's 2 jalapeno and 2, I can't remember what the other ones are. They're a big pepper. I can't remember if they were yellow or orange. Then we got 2 rows of beans. And then some tomatoes. I think they got like 3 cherry tomatoes and 2 beefsteak or something. So everything's growing good. I have been watering it, but nothing as good as rain, so hopefully it really takes off now. We got Dwight over there, the male goose, and the female goose is in here. I don't know if she's laying or just starting to sit on her eggs. She has a ton of them in there. I didn't count them. Last I counted, there's like 28. And then Brooklyn let Stanley out. We're gonna try and see how he does on pasture. Hopefully he don't try to jump over the sheep fence. But so far he's being pretty good in there. So he's definitely enjoying the grass. Then we got Hunter's chickens. One escaped. He's gonna have to catch that one. Haven't been letting him out because we don't want him to ruin anything in the garden. So here they are. And we'll take a look at the sheep. Here's Nod. He's hiding in the barn. Hunter actually got one of them kitten from my parents yesterday for some reason. Here's a little ram I'm keeping, and then the kids' 4-H lambs. They're growing good. And then we did have kittens too. I think they're under here. They're all white, I believe. That's why Hunter, I think, wanted the little black one there. Right there's the mother to all the little kittens. So yeah, I don't know. I should open the door. Barn swallow in here. It just flew out the window, so they must have it figured out. Yeah, it's nice we're actually getting some rain. They're talking all day today, and I think it was Monday, but I think they switched it to Tuesday now. Yeah, we definitely needed it. Yeah, I figured I'd do a video and show everyone how everything was and how the garden was doing and everything else. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure, again, you ring the notification bell. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I hope everyone has a wonderful day and a great week next week. Thanks for watching.